Hi, this is Christina Morrison coming to you from the EFA Conference and Expo in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I am over in the Center for Health Design's booth with Debra Levin to talk a little bit about everything that the center is doing right now here at EFA. Debra, we're here in Charlotte. How's the show been going for you so far?
This has been an amazing show. The energy and the dynamic nature of people has just been incredible. I've had so many people who've come up to me and said, this is the best show yet, which happens every year. Every year is the best show yet. And I think it's because the quality of the education at this conference is extraordinary, right? That if you fill a room with people who are excited and engaged in this industry and want to make a difference, and then you bring in like-minded content experts, it's like explosive what happens. And I think everybody feels that. They all feel the energy of being here. So I think it's a great show. Charlotte has been an amazing small town to have this in, and I look forward to being back here again one day. But every year, it just keeps getting better.
So good to hear, and you know, it's so great, like you said, with all the energy and filling the room. I know that you all filled the room this morning, kicking off the day with the Changemaker Awards or the Changemaker Award. What can you tell us about the winner and some of the other award winners for this morning?
Sure. You know, the Changemaker Award is a very special award that the board of directors actually gives out to somebody who's made a significant contribution over a long period of time in our industry. And Lori Hyatt definitely fits that bill. She is an incredible woman who, you know, just hearing her stories today and realizing how far back her experience goes and what this industry was like when she started and where we've come. We still have a long way to go. There's still a lot of problems to be solved, but it gave us a moment to just like pause and be really proud of how far we have come in you know, these last couple of decades. That, you know, she painted a picture very different than a lot of the projects that we see now that come into our awards or are featured in the magazine. So we realized, you know, we started someplace where there was a lot of heart, but nobody was paying attention to design. And now here we are a couple of decades later, and everybody is paying attention to design. And I think that's part of the magic.
Absolutely. And through that evolution, what are you hearing from attendees here at the show with some of the challenges that they're facing, but the opportunities that are ahead?
Well, we're hearing a lot about people who really want to use an evidence-based design process. They really want to use research in their work, but they're not quite sure how to do that. And that's one of the ways that the center is really trying to make a difference, really trying to engage people to understand that there is a body of research out there, and you need to think about it when you're starting to create your designs. And even better is if you can do the research after you've finished your project to add to that body of knowledge so that we can continue to raise the bar, right? It's great to learn what others have done. It's even better if you can add to that body. So that's a big part of what we've been hearing a lot is, you know, I want to use research. I believe in evidence-based design process. I just don't know what to do next. And of course, you know, we point them in the direction of EDAC because that's a good primer to start learning how to use it. And that's one of the programs we actually have here at EFA every year is a workshop to teach people, where do you even go? Like, how do you use Google Scholar? Where do you go to find that research? So we're excited to be able to bring that to this conference every year.
Very good. And for those who maybe weren't able to make it out this year and get to talk to you in person, or maybe they missed you, how can they connect with the center, and how can they get some of the resources that you have?
Well, definitely people should come to our website at healthdesign.org, and we have a whole slew of not just webinars and workshops, but we have a ton of tools and resources that we've created over the years specifically for this audience to help people access research and make it actionable. So I just invite people to come to our website or give me a call. I'm always happy to talk with people and hear about what they're doing and point them in the right direction.
Well, thank you so much, Debra, for all that you do, and you and your team. I'm going to let you get back to it because I know there's lots of people to talk to here. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more from EFA.